Yeah, 6th 4/26. 6/4/26. Right? 6/4/26. Yeah. Before going today's class, just I want to talk few minutes. I want to talk few minutes on this. Careful. I want to talk few minutes on this problem. Listen everyone. If you observe clearly in this problem, observe, yeah, if you observe clearly in this problem, you are using R plus. R value, I know that point of time R value is 5. Whenever I started this problem, starting R value is, if because of you are writing R plus F of R value 5 only, 5 plus 5 plus R value, right? Here also 5 plus, but unfortunate thing is 5 plus, right hand side also required, left plus right required, left plus right required, left available R value 5, right not available. But while doing right one, right, so you postponed this plus operation, then what happened is, whenever you postpone this plus operation, right, when you are coming back, R is changed 9, so it became 9 minus. Previously while coming, it's a 9, it's actually 5 minus, 5 plus, 5 plus, 5 minus. But because of you postponed, while going back, if you see, it became 9 minus, 9 minus, 9 plus, 9 plus, like that. So static variable, if you use directly, you may get that time value. But if you postpone, there may be a chance that it will change, because all the people see this function you called many times. Every time you are using this value only, every time. So if you use starting itself, you will get 5. If you use after some time, you will get 9. So you want to use starting only, but unfortunately, to do this addition, 2 people required, left available, he went for right. But when I come back from right, left one changed. Static variable, if you delay, there is a change in the value. There may be a chance of change, most probably change there, because many people are using static variable. Because of many people are using static variable, so this is the issue, right? I think everyone absolutely fine. We can move to next one. Right? Because of today is the first class early morning. Today is the first class early morning. So many people not came. Many people not came. Right? Fine. That's okay. First time it will happen like this. Early morning attending is very less people can do it. I request everyone follow this. Follow. Morning attending classes are really nice. It's a blessing. As a student, when you attend the classes morning, it is a blessing. It will make everything all right. So I think we can go ahead. The today's class. We can go ahead. Just give me 1 minute. I'm writing that problem. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah. So please take this. First problem, take example. So this story is called as extern variable. This is called extern variable. We are going to discuss in today's class extern variable. On that first problem, main int a, a is equal to 20, printf a. Try. What is the output of this problem? It's a very small problem. Can you go ahead? What is the output of this problem? Main int a is equal to 20, print a percentage d a. Try this. Everyone try. Everyone try this. Main int a is equal to 20, print a percentage d a. What will be the output you are thinking? Make it fast. Let's see what is the answer you are getting. You people are getting what answer? Let me check. Let me check what answer getting. People are saying 20. People are saying 20. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. So let's see. Let's see what is the answer for this. Right? What is the answer for this? Everyone listen. What is the answer for this? Everyone listen this. Everyone listen. So it is the first problem. Right? When you compile this program, there is no global variable. There is no static variable. No memory creation. When you compile this, no memory created. Okay. Let me run the program. Let me run the program. Everyone observe. Let me run. When you run this program, right? First two int a in the stack only created because of you didn't kept anything. By default garbage. By default garbage there. First line over. Afterwards a is equal to 20. It will become 20. It became 20. Afterwards printf. So 20 will be printed. Output of this program is 20. Okay, perfect. Output of this program is 20. Perfect. Right? Output of this program is 20. Perfect. So I think everyone got problem number 1. Let's go to next one. Example 2. Right? And one more thing is, just I'm writing one more thing. Carefully here. Int a is equal to 5. Can you help me now? I added one more line. I added one more line. Int a is equal to 5. Can you help me now? With the new modification, what is the output? Example 2, I will write within few minutes. Example 2, I will write within a few minutes. Please help me with the new modification. What is the output of the first program? With the new modification, what is the output of the first program? Everyone, where is Ankit? Where is the Ankit Bhaiya? Isaac is saying that this concept can be used same for global variable. I think so. Global also same. Global variable, if you use at that time itself, well and good. Otherwise, someone else can change it. By default, global variable is a static variable. By default, whether you write static or not for global by default static variable, because memory created in the static area only. Because memory created in the static area only. By default, static variable, right? By default, global variable is a static variable. Okay, fine. Let's come here. What is the output? I think as usual. See this one. Compile this program in the right, in the static area memory created for global. Okay. Now run this program. So int a, local variable created in the stack. A is equal to 20. So a will be updated. Printf. I think same answer. No change. No change. Let's go to one more. Let's go to one more. Int a is equal to 5. Be careful. Int a is equal to 5. Main static int a, printf percentage d a. Yeah, can you go ahead? What is the output of the second program? What is the output of the second program? Make it fast. So class is 6 o'clock. Class is early morning 6 o'clock. I will expect everyone 5:30 woke up. 5:30 woke up, wash the face, and if possible do small exercise. If possible do small exercise, right? 5 o'clock woke up, complete the formalities, right? Next one, do small exercise, right? Afterwards revise the yesterday notes, what happened. Revise yesterday notes, what happened. Total notes please revise one time. Sit properly at 6 o'clock for class. If you do that, right, we can I think class will become nice. Suddenly you woke up at 6 o'clock. Suddenly you woke up at 6 o'clock, you will come in front of the class, then definitely you are not doing good things. So I expect from tomorrow onwards, everyone woke up. I expect from tomorrow onwards, everyone woke up. Right? 5 o'clock, 5:30, if possible 5. So for that you have to sleep early. Sleep early. For that you have to sleep early. Sleep early. Right, now see, some people are asking second problem output what? Let me check. Listen, let me check. Compile this program. See this one, compile this program. Okay, so in the static area, when you compile, in the static area, local global both are there. Global there, local there. So because of its that global a file, okay, because of local, it is a static variable. Memory created in the static area, that is a local area. So int a you said, because of you didn't said anything, by default in the static area 0. Right, by default in the static area 0. So okay, compilation is over. Let me run the program. I'm running the program. I'm running. When you run the program, first one skip it. Second one, first one skip it. Okay, second one, print percentage d a. So I think a local is there. Yes, local person already there. Where is available? Static area, local area. I think 0. So 0 will be printed. Output is 0 printed. Output is 0 printed. Now, because of your comfortable, I will ask a few questions. Please try to give everyone. In the first problem, how many variables are created? I want answer. In the first problem, how many variables are created? Can you give the answer before going further? In the first problem, how many variables are created? Make it fast. In the first problem, how many variables are created? Hello? In the first problem, how many variables are created? I think many people are saying 2 variables. First problem, 2 variables are created. One is created in the static area, another created in the stack area. See, two declarations. One created here, one created here, static area. So in the first problem, 2 variables are created. One is global variable, one is normal variable. Normal variable is created in the stack area, right? Global variable created in the static area, right? Yeah, I think Isaac is saying one more. In the first problem, 2 variables created. One is local, another one is global. Local is created by default in the stack area. Global created in the static area. Try to understand. Can you go to second problem? In second problem, how many variables are there? In second problem, how many variables are there? In second problem, how many variables are there? Please check properly. Second problem, how many variables are created? How many variables are there? What are those? I want answer. Where memory created? Can you say this? Make it fast. In second problem, how many variables? What are those? Where memory created? I want answer from all of you. So in the second problem, two variables are created. Two variables are created. One is global, another one local. But for both of them, memory created in the static area only. Right? For both of them, memory created in the static area only. For both of them. Two variables are created, one local, another one global. Local memory created in the static area. Global also memory created in the static area. Right? Am I right? Check once. Am I right? Two variables are created. Two variables are created, right? For one is a local variable, another one is global. Local variable, because of it is static variable, memory created in the static area. Global variable, because of it is a global, memory created in the static area. Okay, I think everyone is perfect. I think everyone is perfect. Now listen. Now listen. This problem is very, very interesting. This problem is very, very interesting. Everyone have to listen. All right. Let me write example 3. This is the main one. This is the main one here. Example 3. Example 3. Main, sorry, let me write here. Int A is equal to 25. Int A is equal to 25. Main extern int A printf percentage D A. Main extern int A printf percentage D A. Can you go ahead? Third problem, what is the output? It's going to be, see, remember this. Topic name is external variable. I want to introduce external variable. That is the reason I tried till now. Topic name is external variable. I want to introduce that. I want to introduce external variable. I want to introduce the external variable. Please be careful. So can you go ahead? This is the first problem. In my opinion, today's class, it is the first problem. Today's class, it is the first problem. I want to introduce this. Let's see how many people will give answer. First of all, right. First of all, right. In the third problem, how many variables are created? Where they created? Can you guess? Can you guess a little bit? In third problem, I want answer from you. How many variables are created? Where they created? Locals how many? Globals how many? I want answer. Again, I am repeating. In the third problem, how many variables are created? How many variables are there? Where they created? What are those? How many local? How many global? I want answer. Let's see how many people will give answer. Make it fast. Very less people can give. In my opinion, today's class is just started now. In my opinion, today's class just started now. Just started now in today's class. Today's class just started now. Today's class just started now. Everyone say. Int A is equal to 25. Main extern int A, print a percentage A. Yeah. So let me give answer. I'm giving answer. I'm giving answer. Everyone try to understand. Everyone try to understand. Careful, everyone try to understand. When you compile this program, when you compile, as usual, when you compile global variable, memory created in the static area. Can you see this one? When you compile this program for a global variable, memory will allocate. A is equal to 25. Compile time itself, global variable memory created. Because of this declaration, memory created compile time itself in the static area. Okay, that's okay. That is okay. Now listen. Now listen, everyone. Run the program. Listen, run the program. Everyone observe. Run the program. When you are running first line, right? First line, extern int A. Remember, extern int A means, remember everyone, extern int A means, right? You are simply saying that, extern int A, it is a declaration, right? So it is a local variable. Local variable name is A. Extern int A. It is a local declaration. Local variable name is A. But the interesting thing is, where is memory created? Remember, extern int A. Where is memory created? So memory will not create again. It is taking a memory which is there outside. Extern means outside. Right? So it's almost like global variable. It is taking a memory of global variable. Or suppose assume in this file not there A. Right, global variable also not there in this problem. Global variable not there in this file, not there, right? Suppose that you included some file, in that file it is there, it will take from there also if global. Be careful, right? If it is there here, it will take. If not there, whatever file you included, in that file it will go. If at all, if you, like hash include means you are including some file, right? So whatever file you included, if at all it is there in that file global, it will take it. First it will take its global. If not there, it will take whatever included in that file, at least it is there. Suppose that time also not there, maybe you will get error message, right? Undefined symbol, something like that. Now I'm repeating once again. Extern int A. What is the meaning? What is the meaning? Extern int A means one local variable you are creating. One local variable you are creating, name is A. But what about memory? Where memory created? Remember, you don't want to create memory. The memory which is there outside, it want to use. Outside means what? Global variable. You want to use. So memory you don't create again. So in the first problem, memory created for global variable also, local variable also. In the second problem, memory created for global variable also, local variable also. But in the third case, memory created for global, local will not create, local person uses, right? Global memory. Extern int A, it is saying that I am a local variable. Extern int A is saying I am a local variable. But I don't want to take memory again. I want to take the memory which is there outside. Means global variable memory I want to utilize. So when you say like that, you don't create memory. So you will simply say that, okay, take from the global only. So from now onwards, when I say 2, what is the answer? Printf A. So because of you don't have memory, is a local only. You don't have memory, is taking the memory of global. You will go global and you will check. So A value 25 will be printed. Output is 25 printed. Output is 25 printed. Remember here two variables are there. In the third problem, two variables are there. One is local, another one global. But memory is only one. Local variable saying that I am a local, but I don't want memory again. I want to utilize the memory which is there outside. Right? Fine. Please let me know. This is the difference. If I don't say first problem, second problem, you may think, right? Something is missing. That is the reason I written. Yeah, you may say that. Then what is the difference between this problem and that problem? Let me give that problem. Example 4. You may say, what is the difference, sir? Can you see this? Example 4. Can you see the difference here? Can you see? Int A is equal to 25. One small problem I'm saying, you will get more clarity. Int A is equal to 25. One small problem I'm saying, main printf percentage d A. See the interesting thing. So in the fourth problem, in this problem, if you observe clearly, see the fourth problem. This problem, if you observe clearly, compile time memory will allocate. This problem, if you observe clearly, compile time memory will allocate. Compile time for a global variable memory will allocate. A value 25. Compile time for global variable memory will allocate. A value 25. That is compile time. Run the program. Run the program. When you run the program, see this one. When the run the program, see the first line. See the first line. Printf percentage d A. You are using A. You are using A where A is not declared inside. A is not declared inside. So A is a free variable, remember. So some people are thinking that fourth problem, third problem, same. No. In the fourth problem, here A is not free variable. In the fourth problem, here A is not free variable. A is a local variable, but taking memory of global. Some people are thinking that third problem, fourth problem, same. Right? Here, if you observe clearly, here only one variable created. See, here only one variable there, global variable. But in the third problem, if you observe, two variables are there. One global, one local. But local person taking memory of global. But here only one variable there. In the inside main, if I say print A, no local variable A. So A will become a free variable. Free variable means static scoping, dynamic scoping. Static scoping, global variable you will use. Dynamic scoping, from where you came. I think before main, nothing is there. You came from same place. So remember here A is a free variable, scope problem. But here there is no scope problem. A is a local variable, but he is taking the memory of global. He is right by mentioning the extern int A, you are saying I am a local person. My name is A, but I want to take the memory of global. That is the only difference. Right? You can do whatever you want to say. Here, local variable. See what he is saying, I am a local, but I want memory in the static area. But what he is saying, I am a local, I want memory in the stack area. What he is saying, I am a local, I don't want memory, I will take the memory of global. So every combination they tried. Every combination they tried. Next one, print A, print A. What is the answer? There is no A. Oh, it's a free variable. Right? Free variable, scope problem. Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Static scoping, global variable. Dynamic scoping, from where you came. I think you came from here. But whenever nothing is mentioned, static scoping only. So output is 25 will be printed. But remember, in this problem, A is A, right? Free variable. Or A contains scope problem. A contains scope problem. And one more, in the fourth problem, two variables are not there. One variable only there. Only global. But in the third one, two variables are there. One local, one global. But local uses the global memory. Okay, I think people got it. I think people got it. Be careful from now onwards. Example 4, let's go to example 5. Let's go to example 5. It's very, very interesting from now onwards. Int A is equal to 20. Okay. Main int extern int A extern int A extern int A is equal to 75. printf percentage d A. Go ahead. I want answer from you. What is the output of this program? Example 5, what is the output? Go ahead. Reddy sir became early morning drinker. Reddy sir became early morning drinker. Bhaiya, it's water. I'm a drinker of water. Water, okay, na? Reddy sir became early morning he became a drinker. Early morning he became a drinker. Reddy sir early morning became drinker. Yeah, I'm drinker of water, yeah. Water, no problem. Water, kya problem, yeah? Water problem, what problem you have? Can't I take water also? Can't I take water also, yeah? He became a drinker. He is a drug addicted. He is a drinking addicted. Bhaiya, water addicted, okay. Reddy sir is a water addicted, okay. He is a water addicted boy. He is a very cute boy. He is a water addicted boy. Fine, can you go ahead? Now, my question here is, Anjali, you are saying answer 75. I'm happy. My question to all the people here. In the example 5, how many local, how many global? Next one, how many times memory created? I want answer from right from you. So Ankit Bhaiya came just now. He is saying good morning, sir. Bhaiya, good morning happened long time back, Bhaiya. Ankit Bhaiya, good morning happened long time back. To you, maybe good morning now. To us, good morning is happened approximately 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, we got already good morning, Bhaiya. Suddenly just woke up. He's saying good morning. I think he went. He went to sleep again. Just he woke up. He got to know it's a 6:50. He got to know it's a 6:50, something like that. And he slept again. Bhaiya, to us, to all of us, good morning happened long time back. You just bluffing us. You just bluffing us. For us, good morning happened long time, Bhaiya. You are just bluffing us. Are bluffer? Can you help me? Example 5. Example 5. How many locals? How many global? Next one. How many local? How many global? Next one. How many times memory created? How many times memory created? In the example 5, how many locals are there? How many globals are there? And one more thing is, how many times memory created? Please go ahead. So Anjali is saying memory created only once. It is modifying global variable value. Okay. Okay. Now let me give answer. I think everyone is okay. Everyone is okay. Let me give answer. Right? Let me give the answer. I'm giving this one. Remember everyone? Remember compile time. Compile time. Global variable memory. Careful everyone. Compile time, global variable memory. A20. Okay, you done the compilation. Okay, completed. Now let me run the program. Listen, let me run the program. While running, this person is saying that I am a local variable. I am a local variable. My name is A, but I don't want memory here. I want to take memory of global. Okay, take. Is a local, name is A, but you want to take memory which is there in the global area. Okay, you take. This person saying I am also local variable. My name also A. My name also there, but I don't want memory. I will take the memory of global. Same thing this person also. That next one, A is equal to 75. Either first A or second A or third A, but all are taking same memory. So there is no problem. A is equal to 75. No confusion also. No confusion also. Suppose one A going some other memory, another A some other memory, another A some other memory. Then I have doubt which A. Because of all are taking same memory, there is no issue. So what I mean to say is we have three local variable with the same name, still no issue. We have three local variable, extern int A, extern int A, extern int A. Three times you called extern int A. Three local variables are created. Their names are A. With the same name, how can you create? That is the advantage with the extern. You can create multiple local variables with the same name. But interesting thing is all are using same memory. If I say print A is equal to 75, print A, 75 will be printed. No confusion. No confusion. So no issue. So output is going to be 75 will be printed. So remember, in this program, there are totally 4 variables. one local, sorry, one global, three locals. In this program, there are four variables are there. One global, three local, but memory creation one time only. Memory creation one time only. That is also static area. That is also static area. These three local people are using global memory. These three local people are using global memory. Some people are asking, how can you create with the same name three local variable? How can you create? Without extern, I cannot create. If I do that, I will get error message, multiple declaration error. Right? If at all I do like this, guarantee problem will come. In the normal programming, it is a problem. See this one, int a is equal to 20. Main. See this one, main. Int a, memory created, int a, memory created, int a, memory created. If I say print a, because of three memories, here also one memory created, here also one memory created, here also one memory created. We don't know which a is talking. If I say print a, there is a issue. If I say print a, there is a issue. Right? Then here multiple declaration error message will come. Compile time error. Multiple declaration. So without extern, if you try to create three local variables, without extern, if you try to create three local variables, three memories are creating. When I say print a, which a I am using, I don't know. Which a I am using, I don't know. So multiple declaration error you will get. But here, all are taking same memory. Even though three local, all are taking same memory. So output will be printed. Output will be printed 75. So if anyone asks you from today onwards, what is the advantage with the external variable? The advantage is going to be with the same name using extern, you can create multiple local variables. With the same name, you can create multiple local variables. That is the advantage. What benefits will come, that is the different. That is the purpose of extern. Someone came with this idea. So multiple local variables I want with the same name. If I do directly, error is coming. Is there any way? So you can say using external keyword, you can do it. Using external keyword, you can do it. Please be careful. Okay, I think example 5 also over. Right. Go to the example 6. Go to example 6. Example 6. Int a, main, int a, main, int a 5. Extern int a. So printf a. Can you say what is the output? Make it fast. Can you say what is the output? Make it fast. I'm expecting answer from all of you. What will be the output? Yeah, let me give answer. It's a very interesting problem. Let me give answer. Be careful, don't give blindly any answer. So I'm giving answer. See this one. See everyone, compile this program. Careful, compile this program. For global variable memory created by default 0. Global variable memory created by default 0. Okay, fine. Now let me run the program. See this one. When I'm running the program, see the first line. When I'm running the program, see the first line. Int a is equal to 5. When I am running this program, so see the first line. Int a is equal to 5. So one local variable a created. Value 5. Address is some 1000. This variable address may be 2000. Every variable having some address. Don't worry. A0. Right? 2000. One is created in the global area. One is created in the stack area. That's okay. See the second line. Very, very important one. See the second line. Extern int a. What is the meaning? I am also a local variable. My name is A, but I will take memory of global. He is saying that I am also local variable. My name is A. I will take memory of global. Okay. Take from there. So 3. Print A. Which A I will take? Either this one I will take or this one I will take. I don't know. Because see this one. This person is this. This person taking memory of this. If I say print A, which one I have to take? Because there are two local variables are there. Extern int a is also local. Int a is equal to 5 is also local. So this is the multiple declaration error. Multiple declaration error. Careful. Compile time error it is. Multiple declaration compile error. Fine. Perfect. Example 6. Go to the example 7. Example 6. Go to the example 7. Example 7 you go. So I'm giving the example 7. I think people got it. Right? People got it. Now let's see. Int, careful, int a, main. Almost end of the story. Please be careful. Main, extern, int a, main, extern int a, printf, hi. Now see what happened. Example 7. Example 7. Can you see this one? Example 7. Can you see this one? You compile the program, no memory created. It's okay. Because of no local, no static, memory will not be created. Compile this. No memory created because, right? No local, no static variable also, no global also. That's okay. Let me run the program. When you run the program, see this one. When you run the program, first line saying extern int a is saying I am a local variable. My name is A. Don't create memory which is there outside. I want to use. When the program is running, at that time extern int a is saying I am a local variable. My name is A, but I don't want to take memory now. The memory which is there outside I want to use. When you say like that, outside memory I want to use, they will say okay, go. Processor will say no problem. You can go ahead. No problem. Can you see this one? Second one. Print high. See this one. Print high. Even though outside there is no memory, you said that you want to use the memory which is there outside. Outside there is no memory. You want to use the memory which is there outside, but overall at the end of the day, you are not using. So remember, if you use any variable, it should have memory. But unfortunately, this person don't have memory and you are not using also. No issue. That's the reason no error will come. Output is high will be printed. Because anyhow, you are not using A. A is a liar. What A is saying? I am a local variable, but I don't want memory. I will take the memory of global variable. He said like that. But interesting thing is, global variable don't have memory. No global variable, first of all. You want to take the memory of global. No global variable also. So actually, it is a problem, but you are not using. You are not using, there is no issue at all. It's a very, very tricky problem. It's a very, very tricky. So, sir, extern int a, right? You are saying I am a local variable. My name is A. I will take the memory of global. Global not there. Okay, global not there. That is a fault. That's okay. but you are not using that variable. See, print high, if you say print a, it could have been error. Print a, it could have been error. So I will write the same thing. Let me write main 1 extern int a to print a, then this is the error. This is the error. So first line saying that I am a external variable means I am a local variable. I will take the memory of global. Interesting thing is global person not there. Print a is not there. A memory not there. From where I will access? Here you will get error. Right? What is the error? A is undefined. A is undefined. While running processor got to know this issue is there. Extern int a. So you will say that, okay, I will take the memory of global. When you say like that, okay, they will say take. But when you say print a is not there. Global is not there. So a is undefined symbol. But here he said that high, print high, no issue. If you use any variable, that variable should have memory. If you use any variable, remember this line. If you use any variable, that variable should have memory. But in the seventh problem, if you use any variable, I am not using at all. Okay, what is the eighth problem? If you use any variable, it should have memory. Memory not there. So A is undefined. I think people got it. Okay, these are small. Don't think that these are so many problems. Don't think like that. These are very small. Within 5 minutes, you can finish it up. All these problems, small bacha problem. For your convenience, I given this. To get the clarity, I given example 8 also over example 9. Can you do this also? These are small problem. Within 1 or 2 minutes, you can finish it off. See this. Main almost closing of the extern. Extern int a. Main extern int a. Printf a. Int a. Extern int a. This is the problem. Problem number 9. Can you go ahead? Extern int a. Yeah, try this one. So if you observe clearly, see this one. This person saying that, let me use another color. This person is saying that I am a local variable. My name is A. Don't create memory which is there outside. I want to use. Okay, I will go outside. This person also saying I am a, right, extern int A. I am a global variable. My name is A. Right? I also don't want to create memory. The memory which is available outside, I want to use. If everyone say, I don't create memory which is there outside, I want to utilize, then who will create? So this will goes to same error message. You will get undefined symbol A. Everyone saying same way. Inside person also saying I will use outside. Outside person also saying I will use outside. From where you will get? Undefined symbol. Undefined symbol. Right? Inside person saying I will use memory which is there outside. Outside person also saying same. So finally, no memory created, but you are using. See, remember you are using. If you don't use, no issue. If you use, somewhere it should be defined. Means somewhere memory should be created. Somewhere memory should be created. Okay, perfect. So example 10, it may be the end of the story. It may be end of the story. Please be careful. Extern int a. Extern int a. Main. It is a surprise. Be careful. It is a surprise. Extern int a. Printf a. Extern int a main. Right? Extern int a printf a. Observe clearly what exactly this problem purpose. Can you see this? He's saying I am a local variable, my name is A, memory which is there outside I want to take. But this person also saying I am a global variable, my name is A, memory which is there outside you want to take. So if at all like this, answer is undefined symbol. Remember, global you written the extern, but you done the initialization also. Global you done the extern. Global you written the extern, but you done initialization also. Remember, if you do initialization, even though you kept the extern, memory will allocate. This is the surprise. Global variable, if you use the extern, but if you do initialization, extern don't have any effect. Extern don't have any effect. If you do global variable initialization, extern whether you keep or not doesn't matter. This is the surprise. So output is going to be 5 will be printed. Global variable extern, if you do initialization, there is no use of extern. Extern will lose its power. Extern lose its power. Some people are asking, if that is the case, can I do this? If that is the case, can I do this? See this. See this one. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Int a is equal to 77. Global variable I created. Okay. Main. See the answer. Extern into a is equal to 44. Print a. Sir, if I do like this, even though he is a local variable, extern int a is equal to 44. Even though he is a local variable, name is a, but you are using extern, memory will not create, but you done the initialization. You done the initialization, memory will create or not. Remember, external variable local, you cannot do initialization. You will get error message. Error. Right? So the error is local extern cannot be initialized. Local extern cannot be initialized. Cannot be initialized. So careful. This is the precaution. Local extern cannot be initialized. I think these are the 11 problems. Small problems. Small, shitty problems. Shitty problem. These are small problem. If a small kid also can understand. Whatever happened, small kid also can understand. Small kid also can understand. Right? Fine. Small kid also can understand. Are you okay? Are you okay? Fine. Are you okay? Let me know. Let me know anyone having any issue. Sir, in all this problem I have. Sir, in all this problem I have some doubt. Where you have doubt, let me know. Yeah, let me know any problem having doubt. Totally 11 problems I done. Anywhere you feel, sir, I am not getting. If little doubt also let me know. Very clearly I mentioned, very clearly. If I say, see, my mama papa is not educated, they are not studied. Maybe I think my papa used to say I studied until 7th class. My mama used to say I studied until 5th class. I think almost 5th and 7th means they are not that much. So for them also, if I teach this, they will get. My mama papa, one is 5th class, another one is 7th class, right? Maximum they know how to read and how to write. They don't know anything about this. But if I give same lecture, they will also get. That much clearly I explain. That much clearly. Just opening the banana and keeping in the mouth I done. Can't you do like this? Can't you do like this? Just opening banana. See, I open the banana. I kept banana inside mouth. Can't you do like this? And it's very simple, yeah, very simple, done. Very simple, 11 problem, very bacha problems. Choti problems, yeah, choti problems, see. So if you okay, can I move further? If you okay, can I move further? Try. If you okay, can I move further? Every variation I covered. Every variation I covered. Can I move or not? Bolo, yaar, bolo. I am not asking your property. Please, bolo. Anjali, can't you say? Soham, can't you say? Soham, can't you say? Anjali, can't you say? Sir, I am sleeping, don't disturb. Soham saying, I am sleeping, don't disturb me. Don't disturb me, I am sleeping. Right. I think people got it. People got it. Static int a is equal to 10 main. Same na. See, by default, global variable is static only. By default, global variable is static only. No effect. No effect. By default, whether you keep static or not, by default, global variable static area only it is created. But remember extern int a. Remember extern int a. Remember extern int a. A is equal to 20. Where by inside local? Extern int a na, is taking memory of global. Of course, it will modify. Global, see, global, static there or not there, doesn't matter. Int a is equal to 25 is equal to static int a is equal to 25. Extern int a is equal to 10 mean extern int a is equal to 20, of course. So that's what I said. What is the last problem saying? See this one. What is the 10th problem saying? Even though extern is there, even though extern you initialized, it lost its power. So it is normal. It is like extern int a is equal to 5 is equal to int a is equal to 5. Both are same. Then normal story. Extern int a, you will take memory of global. So 5 will be printed. Extern sixth problem. Let's go sixth problem. Let's go sixth problem. See this. Int a main. Int a is equal to 5. Extern int a. See, is also local. Int a means memory created directly. Extern int a is also local. Name is a. See, this person also a. This person also a. Two local variables. Two local variable can have no issue. But both should be same memory. But this person memory is here. But this person memory is here. If I say print a, which will be printed? So I don't know whether I have to print this or whether I have to print this. I don't know. So it will give error message. Multiple declaration, compile time error. Two local variables are there. In the example 6, so two local variables are there. Both are A's. Both the names are A. One person memory location 1000. One more person memory location 2000. So when I say print A, from which place I have to take the value, I don't know. So multiple declaration, compile time error I will get. Two persons local there, compile time error you will get. Okay. Next, anyone? Anyone having any issue? Anyone having any issue? Right. Right. So what I will do is, right, careful, what I will do is, everyone observe. Everyone observe. What I will do is, I will give one assignment to you. I will give one assignment to you. I will do one assignment to you. Can I give one assignment? Or we can do now itself. We can do now itself. So please careful. It's a very, very interesting problem. It may trouble you also. It may trouble you also. One problem. One problem. It may be example 12 or 13. Example 12 or 13. I think 11 over 12. Be careful. Example 12. Example 12. Everyone understand. Example 12. Int A is equal to 5, B is equal to 10. Main, go inside. Static int A is equal to 44. Auto int B is equal to 66. C function called. Printf A comma B. C function called. Printf A comma B. It is a main. Let's go to C function. In the C function, register int A is equal to 1 1. Printf A comma B. Afterwards, D function called. Go to the D function. In the D function, int B, int A. Extern int B. A is equal to 99. B is equal to 55. Printf A comma B. Yeah, this is the problem. This is the problem. Someone is saying, why extern A is equal to 44 will not give error if you don't print A star? In which problem? Say, in which problem it is? Problem number? Say the problem number. This one. This one. I never said local variable you cannot you do initialization. Local variable with extern you cannot do initialization. Local variable extern you cannot do initialization. Global variable extern you can do initialization. Local variable extern you cannot do. See, local extern cannot be initialized. Where we print high, go there. Say the problem number, Bhaiya, say problem number. Suddenly asking something without saying number. Can you see this one? Main, extern int a, print high. So you said print high. You are not used a. You didn't use a. See, what is the actual problem? Right? If you use any variable, it should have memory. If you use any variable, you should have memory. There is no memory. He's saying take the memory of outside. So I will go and check. If required, I will check. See, someone is playing lie. Someone is playing lie. Immediately may not be caught. You are saying some lie. Immediately it may not be caught. But correct time will come. I will go and verify. I will go and verify. You said something lie, right? You said something lie, right? Unknowingly you said something lie. So that time may not be, I may not get you that time itself. I may not caught you that time itself. Whenever requirement is there, when people got to know, oh, this is required, let me check. Checking time I got to know there is no A. So this is the same thing. See, extern int A. I will take memory which is there outside. Okay, let's take print A. Now A really needed. I will go and check, not there. Then undefined symbol will come. Right now undefined symbol will come. See, print A, now A required. I will go and check, not there. Undefined symbol. So print high, nowhere required. You played some lie, but no one is catching because no one needed it. No one needed it. Okay, that is the reason. Now come to this problem. Everyone be careful. Everyone be careful. So what is the answer of this? Arey Bhaiya, Ankit Bhaiya, what I said, external variable you cannot initialize locally. That is the rule. External variable you cannot initialize locally. You cannot initialize. Whether it will give error or not, of course it will give error. You cannot initialize. External variable local you cannot initialize. That is the rule. Okay, fine. Now can you concentrate on this problem? Can you go ahead? Can you go ahead on this? What is the output of this problem? What is the output of this problem? Go ahead. Everyone try this. Everyone, it is a very nice problem. Very less people can give answer. Very less people. Check one time. Can you give or not? Everyone try this. Yeah, this is the very complex problem. I given enough time. Let me give the answer. I am giving answer. This is a very complex problem. That is the reason I given enough time also. So please make sure, right? Everyone listen properly. I am giving answer. So, and one more thing here is there any variable which is not declared? Are you using any variable which is not declared? Any scope problem? Do you have any scope problem? Scope problem is there or not there? Scope problem is there or not there? अरे बोल दो यार, scope problem there or not there? In C function there is no B, of course. And okay, sorry for that. One small mistake happened. No one asked me also. See this one. Already here int B. One more extern int B. Already here int B. One more extern int B. It is really not required. So I'm cancelling it. Already one B, one more B not required. If anyone is confused now, please take care. Already there, see, already int B. One more B may create a problem. Multiple declarations error will come. Because when you say B, we don't know which B. So there is a multiple declaration error. Here may be problem. You could have asked me two Bs. No one typed also. No one typed. Just they are throwing some random answers. No one asked static scoping or dynamic scoping. No one asked static scoping or dynamic scoping. No one asking. So here see in the C there is no B. So there is a scope problem here. Here scope problem. I given intentionally scope problem. Scope problem, two answer will come. Static scoping answer, dynamic scoping answer. So I'm starting now. I think everyone tried, right? Whether you tried, whether I tried. So at the end of the day, we should learn, right? I'm starting. Can you see this one? Compile this program. Everyone observe. Compile this program. When you compile, see this one. When you compile, just give me 1 minute. Yeah, fine, perfect. Let me start now. I'm starting. Everyone listen. I'm starting. So first to static memory. See this static memory. Everyone understand. It is a static. It will confuse you if you don't listen. Global, local, global you see A5, B10. If any small mistake also I will rectify. Listen properly. Listen properly. Small mistake also I will rectify. Small mistake also either from my side or your side I will rectify. So this is the current status. First compile this program. Global variable memory created. That is okay. But local variable static also memory will allocate. Local variable static also. So please be careful. I think he is the only person. Function name is main. In the main function, A44 will be created. So compile time, this is the setup. Compile time setup is this. Okay, I think it's perfect. Now let me run the program. Everyone observe. Let me run. I'm running. Take stack. Let me run the program. I'm running. Take the stack. Yeah, I think it's okay. Take the stack. Yeah, I'm taking the stack. Now from main program onwards, start running. From main program onwards, start running. From main program. In the main program, what is the first line? Static, skip it. Second line. Remember first line over, then only I can come to second line. See the second line. Auto int A is equal to auto int B is equal to 66. I think you know very well. Auto there, auto int B, simply int B, both are same. So in the stack area. So in the main, listen, in the main function stack, right? So this B, careful everyone. See, remember one thing, in the main function, A is a local, but there in the static area. Please remember, write properly. Otherwise, you will forget. A is a local, but there in the static area. Next one, B is a local. Memory there in the stack only. So 66. So first line over, second line over. Can you see the third line? Printf A comma B. So I think both are local. A and B both are local in the main program. Both are local. So I think A, which is there in the static area 44, B, which is the 66. 44, 66 will be printed. Let's see this one. Output. 44, 66 will be printed. 44, 66 will be printed. I think absolutely fine. So third line also over. Can you see the fourth line? C function called. Go to the C. C function called. Go to the C now. Right? C function. Remember, I am there in the C function. Push. C function. Push now. Right? Inside the C function, understand everyone. Register int A is equal to 11. Remember, see this one. Is a local variable. 11. But remember, it may be stored in the register. Right? So register area it is stored, but is a local. Other than storing in the register faster, there is no difference. A local value is 11. It is there in the register, program become faster. Now listen, in the C function, first line over, can you see the second line? Printf A comma B. A local 11 will be printed, but B not there. It's a scope problem. Static scoping, dynamic scoping, static scoping, global variable, dynamic scoping. See the dynamic scoping is from which place you came. You came to C function, right? From the main. So when you say dynamic scoping, you have to go back. From which place you came, that place you go. So in that place, is there any B? You have to print. So now I am doing static scoping. Scope problem is there. So static scoping, dynamic scoping, static scoping. Right? Answer 44, 66 will be printed. Now can you see the C function? C function, second line. Print A comma B. A 11. But B not there. Static scoping. 10 will be printed. So answer is 11, 10. Okay, so second line also completed. In the C function. Can you go to third line? Everyone observe third. See, remember D function is called. See this one. D function is called, right? So these are actual parameter. These are formal parameter. Don't be emotional. Don't be a emotional fool. Be careful. See this. Right? D, B, A. So remember, first person will go to first place. Don't give any importance to names. First person will go to first place. Second person will go to second place. Whatever names they are. Names doesn't matter. Give importance to positions only. First person will go to first place. Second person will go to second place. But remember, memory created again. So go to D function. In the D function, memory created. See this one, memory created in the D function. Int B, memory created, B local. But what is the value coming? B coming means B value coming. What is the B value coming? Right? I think if you see in the C function B already we printed also. What is the answer? Static scoping, global variable. I think 10 coming. So 10 will store here. Right? Next one, A. What is the A coming? From the C function, what is the A? A 11. 11 is going. So here A became 11. They are two local variables in the D function. Right? Remember, again and again I'm saying, don't give any importance to names. First person will go to first place. Second person will go to second place. Even though here A there, B there, doesn't matter. Right? First person will go to first place. Second person will go to second place. Positions only give important. I think in the D function, now I enter inside. See the first line. A is equal to 99, B is equal to 55. They are local. You can update. Afterwards, second line, print it. When I print it, 99, 55 will be. So AB, 55, 99 will be printed. 55, 99 will be printed. Okay, that is also done. After printing is over, D function is over. Control will go back. So in the C function, this is over, this is over. For this purpose, I tried. Now this is also over. You came back means what? This is also over. Can you see the fourth line? Print AB. Print AB. So can you see this one in the C function? A11, B not there. I think scope problem, right? Static scoping, global variable 10. So 11, 10 will be printed. 11, 10 will be printed. Okay, that is also done. That is also done. 11, 10 will be printed. That is also done. So this is completed. C function over pop. Go to the main. In the main, this is over, this is over, this is over. For this purpose only I done this much work till now. Now this also completed. Now come to fifth line. Printf AB. Come to fifth line. Printf AB. What is the A? So see that in the main program, in the main, A local. It is there in the static area. A local, but there in the static area. I think it is 44. B 66 directly there. So print AB 4466. This is the answer. Let me know anyone having any objection in static scoping. Do you have any objection in the static scoping? In the D function, let me go D function. In the D function, print AB 9955. Print AB 9955 will be printed. So let's see. 9955. So where it is? Where it is? Which printf it is? I think, yeah. So first printf here. It is the second printf here. It is the third printf. Third printf. Okay. Third printf. 5599. Is it printed or not? AB 9955. Reverse. Okay. Reverse. I'm doing reverse. Thanks. Thanks for informing. 9955. Fine. Is it okay now? Static scoping, is it okay? It is a complex one. It is a complex one. I think most probably everyone trouble. Little. Sir, in stack, wrong value for a D. Let's go. Let's go for a D. D function. D function, right? D function. A how much? A 99. A 99. What is the B? 55. A 99, B 55. At the end of the day, print AB. 9955 will be printed. Yeah, perfect. Thanks. Thanks. I done it. I done all the changes. Is it okay? Can we move further? Static scoping done. Static scoping done. Any changes are there? Let me know. It is a very complex one because of I done many times. I done almost, I can say 500 times I done. Till now I done 500 times. Till now I done 500 times. 500 times I done that much clearly explained. You give this problem to kid, he will cry. You give this problem to kid, he will cry. Kid, you give definitely they will. If anyone say I know C programming, please give this problem. He don't talk to you further. If anyone say I know C programming, please give this problem. He don't talk to you further. He may file a case also. He may file a case also. Please give this problem if anyone say I know C programming. I done the C programming. I done the C programming preparation. If anyone say give this problem. Give this problem. He don't talk to you further. He may file a case also. He will simply say you are torturing him. Sir, both extern and int B were there. That was actually good problem. Both extern and B, then problem, na? Then problem. See this one. Int B already memory created. Extern B is taking memory of global. If I say B, which B I will take? Then error message. So two B's are there. Which B I will store? B is equal to 55. Where I will keep? B is equal to 55. Where I will keep? You only say. Right? So at that time there is a error message. Now the story is, can you do the same story? Dynamic scoping. I'm doing the dynamic scoping. Same story will repeat. Dynamic scoping. Can you people listen one time? One more opportunity you got to listen. Dynamic scoping. Dynamic scoping. Can you listen one more time? One more time. Can you listen? Dynamic scoping. No one mentioned static scoping this answer. Dynamic scoping this answer. No one mentioned. So many dogs are there in this class. In this class, so many dogs. No dog is mentioned. No dog is mentioned. One dog also not written. Static scoping this answer. Dynamic scoping this answer. One dog also not written. I thought many good people are there. Many good people. Simply they are sleeping. So static scoping by default, na sir. Oh, that may be the reason. That may be the reason. Right? That may be the reason. Yeah, that is one of the nice excuse. Ankit Bhaiya, that is a nice, one of the nice excuse. Ankit Bhaiya is ready for always excuses. Excuses always Ankit Bhaiya is ready. This Bhaiya always ready for excuses. Brainless fellow. Instead of saying, yeah, I missed out. Instead of saying this dog is saying, by default static scoping, na sir. Reddy sir, why are you crying? By default static scoping, na. Why are you crying, Reddy sir? For everything you will cry. Why are you crying? By default static scoping, na. Are you good? Okay, let me do dynamic scoping on time. Everyone observe now. Let me do dynamic scoping. I am removing stack also. So make sure, I want to see if you want to get the rank, I want to see always in the doubt solving group. In the doubt solving group, always you have to post something. Always you have to post something. Always you have to give answer. Just spend, whenever you will get the 10 minutes time, see the group. Anyone post a nice question. Or do you have any question? Don't ask me suddenly at the end, sir, I am unable to solve the problem. Don't cry like this. At the end, don't cry saying that I am unable to solve the problem. Right? My pen is not moving fastly. Right? Everyone is giving answer. I am not able to give. They done dedicatedly 1 year. Keep on practicing. Keep on practicing. Suddenly, if you start at the end, guarantee you are losing side. Right? I request everyone. Please start solving. Please start solving. Either you post doubt. You have doubt, you post. Someone is posting, give answer. If you keep on doing practice now, you don't forget the topics. You don't forget the subject. Please try to understand. Please try to understand. You don't forget. When you are keep on doing every day, you don't forget. I want to see these. I can easily say who are the rankers. By seeing the discussion, I can easily say, I will mark also. Otherwise, these many students, where I will mark. These many students are there, where I will mark. You only say. So I will see the chat. Okay, this person doing very great work. I will go back and I will say, you are doing very good work. You are going to get very nice rank. Please continue. Please continue. So I request everyone, please try. Either you post good question. If anyone posted, please give answer. Don't ignore. If you ignoring, automatically rank also will ignore you. You don't need to spend hours and hours. Just to see 10 minutes. One time you see. Whenever you will get time, 10 minutes you see. Oh, this question I don't know. Let me try. Oh, I forget in the concept. Let me revise and do. If you keep on doing every day, then you are going to be a perfect person. Now let's start. Now. Dynamic scoping I am doing. One more wonderful opportunity, right? To know this problem. Let's check. Compile this program, right? Yeah, compilation memory. Global variables are 510. Local variables are static. A44. Everything perfect. Now dynamic scoping I am doing. Can you see this one? Start from main program. Okay, I started. Start from main program I am starting. Observe clearly, main. First line, static int a is equal to 44, already there in the static area. Next one, auto int b is equal to 66. So a local static area. B local directly, so 66. Second line also over. Can you see the third line? Print AB. So A is, I think, in the static area, 44, B 66. Until now, no problem. Third line, 44, 66 will be printed. Let me write. 44, 66. As usual, like previous. No issue. no issue. Let's go to fourth line. C function called. Go to the C. C function called. Please go to the C. In the C, see the first line. In the C, see the first line. Register into A is equal to 11. Everyone say register into A is equal to 11. Is a local only. Is a local but created in the register area. Program become faster. A is local, right? A is local but in the register. So value is 11. A is local but is there in the register, so that program become faster. A is 11. But remember everyone, print AB. So A11 okay, right? Local only. But where is B? Oh, scope problem. Dynamic scoping. So go previous. Previous means I think if you have clarity, well and good. Otherwise, see the stack. See the stacks. In the stack, what is the previous? I think you came to here from here. You go there. So there B there, yes. B66 there. B66 there. Dynamic scoping. Go previous. So B66 there. I think A11 okay. B66. So 1166 will be printed. 1166 will be printed. So some change. 1166 will be printed. Okay, that is also fine. So I think second printf also over. Second line also over. In the C function, can you go to third line? DBA. Go to the D function. First one will be taken by first person. Second one taken by second person. Can you say what is this B value? Now only we printed. In the C function, what is B? Now only we printed. What is the answer? I think it is going to be B. It is going to be how much? Now only we printed. So previous function you went to done 66. So 66 going. What is the A? 11. 66, 11. First person will go to first place. Second person will go to second place. Now remember in the D function. Right? So two locals already there. Two locals already. So B local, which is 66. A local, which is 11. Right? In the D function, B became 66, A became 11. Right? Now see. So A is equal to 99, change the A, 99. B is equal to 55, change it. They are local, change it. After changes are done, print AB. A99, B55. A99, B55. So this also done. Now D function completed. So I think this is over, pop. So now you are at here. So 1 over, 2 over, 3 over. Now fourth line. In the C function for print AB. What is A here? So can you see in the C function what is the A? No change, 11. What is the B? Oh, dynamic scoping. So go previous. Previous is 66. Previous 66. So I think A11, B is 66. 1166. 1166. That is also done. Now after completion of this, right, this function also popped out. Go to the main. In the main, go to the fifth line, print AB. What is the answer? A local, but in the static area, 44, B66, 44, 66. 44, 66. Fine. It's okay. If you are comfortable, we can move to the next one. If you are comfortable, we can move to the next one. Almost you done the very good work. Remember, whatever you done from the last 1 week, whatever you done from the last 1 week, whatever this is the problem. In this problem, you can learn. I think we didn't cover the extern variable. I will make one problem, sir. What happens? Right? Okay, leave it. Ankit, leave it. I will give one problem also. With so many combinations. I will give assignment. I will post in your group. Okay. I will give one problem. That problem I will post in your group as an assignment. So every combination, I tried extern here, it's missed out. I will make little more complex. as an assignment, right? Assignment I will post in the group. Yeah, so if you are comfortable until now means, in the C programming, you done the half part. In my opinion, you will get the half marks. Till now. right? It is a very excellent one. Everywhere I done so clearly. So clearly I explained. So clearly I explained. After this C programming, do, right? If anyone is not done, do algo also, do data structure also. It will give full marks. It will be useful in every manner, right? Do this first, followed by, right? If anyone not done algorithm, do algorithm. If anyone is not done data structure, do data structure, right? After this, you have to do algorithm. After this, you have to do algorithm, right? After algorithm, you do data structure, because the data structure requires some part of algorithm. That is the reason. Do this first, afterwards algorithm, afterwards data structure. Okay, fine. If anyone not done that order, you can follow. This one followed by algorithm, this one followed algorithm followed by data structure. Okay, fine. I will give assignment in your class, right? In your group, I will post. I request everyone, please start solving doubts. Please start solving doubt. If you don't want to solve doubt, you don't want to post doubts, I request you, please stop gate preparation. You don't want to solve, you don't want to post, please stop the gate preparation. Finally, you don't get any rank. I request everyone, be active. 1 year, if you active, finally you will get the nice rank. 1 year you will be active, then you will get the finally nice rank. So there is one person, he got 29th rank. There is one person who got the 29th rank. So while talking with him, what he said is, I started the preparation from March. I started the preparation from the March. From the March, I started the preparation. So in the October month, I got to know I will get the rank either 200 or 300. I got clarity. Right? March month onwards, I started gate preparation. In the October month, I got to know. October month starting, I got to know I will get the rank 200 or 300. Right? 200 or 300, I will get the rank. I got clarity. I got clarity. So accordingly, I planned it. So finally, I got the 29. I done the so many revisions, lot of practice I done. 200, 300 rank, I will get. I already got confirmation. Right? So from there onwards, I keep on doing practice. I keep on doing, right? I keep on doing PYQs. I keep on revising. Wherever I'm lagging, I'm keep on doing. Right? So I immediately asked him, how you got to know in the October month itself clarity? How you got to know you will get 200, 300 rank? How you got to know? He simply said that, so March month onwards I am studying. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Almost like 8 months I studied. 8 months I studied. 8 months I studied rigorously. After spending 8 months, can't I get clarity? That means I am going somewhere wrong. 8 months onwards I am doing, can't I get clarity whether I will get 200 rank, 300 rank? You may not give clarity exactly, but at least approximation. I got to know in the October month, I may get 200, 300. Because I solved many PYQs, right? Almost like 80% of PYQs I'm able to solve. 80%. So please remember, so if you are doing good work, you will get clarity. If you are doing good work, you are getting clarity. If you sit idle, you don't get clarity. So I shocked it. 8 months I worked. Don't I have clarity? If I don't have clarity after 8 months also, that means I'm not doing proper work. You should get clarity in the October month surrounding. You should get clarity. Accordingly, you should work. See, you worked 200, 300 rank. I will get. Oh, let me revise properly. Let me practice more. Let me find out my weak areas. Let me work on weak areas. He done it. He done it. Finally, he got the 29th rank. He never thought he will get the 29. He never thought he will get 29, but he worked on that. So my preparation, right? Every preparation contains two parts: syllabus completion, practice. Sir, by comparing syllabus completion, I done the more practice, sir. That is the reason I got this rank. Right? Two parts are there. You believe or not. You believe or not. I believe or not. If anyone got rank, there are two parts: syllabus completion and practice. These are the two parts. Right? If at all, right? Both you have to manage, both. But most important thing is practice. Please start practice from now onwards. Don't ignore any problem which you know. Don't ignore any subject which you completed. Please keep on do practice. Post nice question. When you are solving PYQs, you may get some doubt. Post it. Post in the group. Fine, perfect. So in the right, tomorrow's class, remember, tomorrow pointer will start. Tomorrow pointers will start. I request exactly 6 o'clock. You should be there in the class. 5 o'clock you woke up. You woke up 5 o'clock. Exactly 6 o'clock. I want to see you, all the people in the class. Today I started at 6:15. 6:15 I started. Exactly 6 o'clock. I want to see you in the class. Right? Fine. Fine. We done the very good work. Tomorrow we will start pointers. Thank you so much. I will give assignment in the group. I will give assignment in the group. Right? So please do that. Please do that. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hope you are finding these classes useful. All resources are there in the description and in the first comment also, like doubt solving group link, 5000 verified questions link, mock tests, quizzes and notes, and right, all the things whichever needed, all kept in the description. Please see, use them properly. These are the resources which you need. I have been guiding students since 2007. Many of my students secured top ranks in the competitive exam. My goal since 2007, from the last 18 years, my goal is very clear. Within 6 to 12 months, I want to make sure my students should crack all competitive exams. Whatever way you are watching these videos, right, these lectures, for all the subjects, similar way is there. Same clarity will be there. And I request everyone, comment your target exam, which exam you are targeting. What is the rank you are targeting? Please comment in the comment section. And comment this also, how many subjects you completed till now. What are the most difficult subjects you are feeling? And when you started the preparation, I request you, please comment so that we can help you accordingly. If these lectures are helping you, right, please comment and share it to your friends also. If you have any doubt at any point of time, don't forget to comment in the comment section. Keep growing, keep improving, and stay consistent. Thank you.